Welcome to the EZ Sushi tutorial. Today we're making crunchy salmon rolls. First, prepare your cucumber and carrots. You want to have them cut relatively thin so they fit nicely in the roll. Our ingredients for this roll consist of smoked salmon, cucumber and carrot, nori or seaweed, sushi rice, black sesame seeds, light soy sauce and sesame oil. To start, disassemble the sushi maker. Put a drizzle of oil into a bowl. This will be used to brush the sushi maker and prevent rice from sticking. If you don't have a brush, an oiled paper towel works too. I am using sesame oil for this. Make sure to oil the rod, as this will be used to press the sushi rice into shape. Ensure that you use sushi rice, otherwise it may not stick properly. Fill the sushi maker on both sides with rice and ensure it is level. I like putting black sesame seeds into the rice before rolling. If the rice is not level, it may prevent it from sticking properly. Prepare the rod and press gently in the middle to create a crevice for your filling. Ensure the level on both sides isn't overflowing or missing rice. Prepare your fillings and place them in the crevice evenly and without overlapping the rice on the sides. Once ready, place the rod into the screw-shaped slot on the EZ Sushi Maker and close it at a 45-degree angle. Make sure to clip it shut and put on the cap. Twist it roughly 5 times or until the rod is able to move ever so slightly back and forward. Prepare some water in a bowl. Remove the cap, prepare the nori long ways, then gently push the sushi out of the maker as close to the edge of the nori as possible. Gently roll the sushi, and once you have that lip, gently wet your fingers and run them along the edge of the seal. Once ready, roll the nori to seal it properly. Make sure you have a sharp knife to cut the sushi in one motion. Enjoy!